Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel. One to step for today, I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can use your Google Drive effectively. Google Drive is basically a storage app or a website made by Google, which helps you to store all of your data, files, videos, photos in the cloud storage where it is safe and secured. Now, in order to use Google Drive, it is quite easy and simple process. All you have to do is first be logged in into your Google Drive account. And once you are logged in, you can upload new files in your Google Drive by using this new button right here on top left side of your screen. You can upload all of your Google Documents, file folder that are already in your PC and now you want to back it up into Google Drive. Not only that, you are also able to keep your data safe and secure in your Google Drive, and if you need it as well, you can download it from your Google Drive directly into your PC as well. Now, to use it properly, you can also use it for a business purpose to save different files, send it to your colleagues, to your workers, or even to your employer. And it will be more easy and secure as well with no hassle, as it is quite easy and simple to use. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful on how you can use your Google Drive effectively. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.